Hey everyone, this is Haris from Team Android and welcome to a brand new day with a brand new unboxing video. Today we have the new Nokia 7.2 with us. It was launched last month in September at IFA in Berlin. This is one of the two Android phones that were announced by HMD Global. The other one was the Nokia 6.2. I was not at the event, but a huge thanks to Nokia for sending us a unit to review. This Nokia 7.2 is a successor to last year's Nokia 7.1, which was a really good phone with premium mid-range hardware and of course the Android One stock experience. In this video, we are going to unbox this device and take a look at what it has to offer. Nokia has been building up some great mid-range hardware for a while now. So similarly, this package has premium written all over it. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. Before we begin, let's do a quick rundown of all the specs this phone comes with. As you can see here, this is the 6GB variant with 128GB storage. Here on the front, you can see this phone is part of the Android One program. That means you'll always have the stock Android experience on this phone. The Nokia 7.2 has a notch up here for selfies, for the selfie camera, and a slightly bigger chin here at the bottom with the Nokia logo, and it has some bezels on the sides. This phone, it comes with Android 9 Pie out of the box. Nokia 7.2 has a 6.3 inches pure display with Pixelworks processor, as Nokia is calling it. This dedicated processor helps to enhance the colors and upscale all the video content to HDR. So that means this phone also comes with full HDR support. It has a triple camera setup at the back with size optics. And if you use Google Assistant a lot, Nokia 7.2 has a dedicated button for firing up the Google Assistant. And lastly, this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. I must say, this is a good processor, but not the best choice from Nokia for a phone coming out in the second half of 2019. But we'll definitely know more how it lives up to the performance in our full review. So let's take off the wraps now. So inside the box, this is very similar to every other Nokia phone we have seen from HMD Global. This here is a warranty card. We just put this aside. So this is the phone here. It says to push the button for the Google Assistant. We'll get to this later on. So for now, let's look at what else is inside the box. So here we have a SIM ejection pin. There are some user guides. Let's just open one of these and see what's inside. Yeah, so this is what the phone is all about. We have on the Nokia 7.2 we have two dedicated SIM slots and a slot for micro SD card for those of you who want expandable storage. So yeah, there's that. Let me just put this aside. Next we have is this another box. Let's open that up. I think there's something else. Oh yeah. So here we have the charging adapter. It's a Nokia branded charging adapter. Then we have the USB-C cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, and a headset, thankfully. So yeah, let's put this aside, all of this, and bring up the phone. So here we have the Nokia 7.2 inside a plastic cover. Let me just take it out. And this here is the phone, and I must say it looks amazing. I mean, it feels premium, and wow, I really like it. The front and back of the phone is both Gorilla Glass, but here at the back it has a very nice matte finish to it. So for those of you who don't know, this is one of the 3 colors in which Nokia 7.2 is available in the markets. This is called the charcoal color, and definitely looks like a charcoal color, and I really love the matte finish to it. So the sides here are made of metal, which feels great and solid, I must say. Overall, this phone does not feel heavy in hand at all. It's just of the right weight, and I really like it. I mean, it's great. So let's go further. So here's the triple camera setup in a big round circle. This seems to be like the new theme these days with phones, that all camera modules come into different shapes, like the square or a round circle like this one. The main camera is a 48 megapixel sensor with an 8 megapixel sensor for ultra wide shots, and there's a 5 megapixels depth sensor for portrait shots. And there's also a fingerprint sensor here at the back, since the Nokia branding, and the Android One branding here at the bottom. So yeah, oops, I was about to drop this. So yeah, so here at the top you have the headphone jack, you have the secondary mic here, and then here on the left side you have the SIM card and the micro SD card slot. There's this dedicated button for Google Assistant, and here at the bottom here you can see this phone has the USB-C slot, the primary mic, and the speaker grill. So yeah, and here at the right side here are the volume keys, and this is the power button with a tiny LED light built right into it. These are for this is the notification light, and I really like the idea behind this. Like, it doesn't occupy any of the screen space over here at the front. There's a small LED light here at the side. So good job, Nokia, for that. So yeah, this was our full unboxing of the Nokia 7.2. Overall, this phone feels like a very good premium package at an affordable price. That too with an interesting camera system at the back. To test it further, we'll take a few days, use the device, and then do a full review. You can read up all that on the teamandroid.com website. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.